Hey guys, Jason here at Drum Percussion Studio, and we've got another tutorial video to kind of recap some of the things that we've been talking about in class. So maybe you sort of understood, but then you got home and you weren't quite sure what to do. So that's what I want to do today, is to kind of go back over some of those things. We've been learning about different rhythms, some notes called eighth notes, and then some other ones called 16th notes. So we're going to review those a little bit today. We've got a little exercise that I wrote out called eighths and sixteenths. And what we're going to do is we're going to alternate our hands the whole time. We're just going to go back and forth, right, left, right, left, right, left. But the rhythm's going to change. Sometimes it's going to be eighth notes. Sometimes it'll be twice as fast as 16th notes. So the way that we're going to count this is 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and. So we're going to do that a couple times. So if you'll come over here and take a look at the music, I've got it written out for you, eighths and sixteenths. So these first 2 beats worth of music right here are 1 and 2 and. Those are the eighth notes, and if you notice, we've got the sticking right, left, right, left. They just alternate back and forth. And then the last 2 beats are twice as fast, 3E and 4E and. The notes or the rhythms are twice as fast. Notice that they're written a little bit differently. They have 2 beams on the top. We call those 16th notes. So again, when we get there, we're going to move our hands twice as fast. Same pattern, same sticking, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We just have to double time that. And when we get here, we do the same thing again. 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and. Down here, we have our 2 measures joined by a repeat sign, a number 2, to tell us that we're going to go back up and repeat the previous 2 measures. So when you get here, you just go back up and do the same thing that you did in those last 2 measures. At the very end, we're going to end on our downbeat, which is always beat number 1. And if you notice, beat number 1 is a right hand. So when we get to the end, our downbeat should be played on the right hand. All right, so it says tempo 60, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my metronome on. I'll get that set up. And so this exercise is not a difficult thing to play. It's really focusing on making sure that we're listening and playing our rhythms very steady with either the metronome or maybe other players, and maybe you're even just listening to some music at home. We want to be very steady. So let me count through it one time before I play. We've got 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and we do it again and again and again. So 4 times through. All right, here we go. I'm going to start at set position. Got my nice triangle for set position, and I'm going to alternate back and forth. Here we go. 1 and 2, and here I go. It's 1 and 2. Alright, so that's our exercise, eighths and sixteenths. And we've talked about this in class. You don't have to have a drum. You don't even have to have drumsticks. So you can even just play that with your hands on a table. You can play it on your legs, sitting down in a chair. However you want to do it. I want you to use this video as much as you need to so that you really feel like you understand it. And then when you're ready, go on and check out our other videos on our channel here on YouTube. And we've got lots and lots of other practice videos when you're ready for it. See you next time. Bye.